Hello, my name is Micah, and I'm going to be teaching you how to make white sauce pasta. Now we are going to go over the ingredients you'll need to make this white sauce pasta. For your ingredients to make this white sauce pasta, you'll need 1 cup of whipping cream and 2 tablespoons of butter, half a cup of Parmesan cheese, and some extra salt, but the salt that I have chosen is called garlic salt, and you'll need pepper. Our first step will be to put water to boil, and also I have added some salt, a teaspoon of salt, to give the pasta a flavor. You can also add in chicken or shrimp, but for today I'm going to be adding in shrimp, so I'm going to be showing you the steps to add that. You don't have to add in the shrimp or chicken, I'm just going to be showing you how to if you want. And you'll need 2 pots and 1 pan, and you'll need a small pot, if you can get this size, and like a medium-sized pan, and you'll need try to get a big pot in a way. A good cook would also clean up as they go. While our water is boiling, we are now going to add in our pasta. And the pasta that I have chosen is the fettuccine pasta. You can use any pasta. While our pasta is cooking, we are now going to move on to our sauce. In a small saucepan, we are going to melt 2 tablespoons of butter at medium heat. Now that the butter has melted, we are going to add in 1 cup of whipping cream. Next, we will add the Parmesan cheese. Make sure it's half a cup while whisking it until it melts. For seasoning, we're going to be adding in pepper and salt, but I prefer garlic salt. And you can use 1 teaspoon to know how much you add for each. Now that our sauce is almost done cooking, we're now going to move on to the next step. And this step is optional. We're going to be adding in shrimp or in a large pan, we're going to drizzle oil. And we will be also adding in 3 cloves of garlic and half an onion. Next, we're going to add in the shrimp. We are going to check on our pasta now to see if it's al dente. Al dente means a firm bite. This one tastes al dente. Next, we're going to taste our sauce to see if it needs more seasoning. And the sauce shouldn't be running off. This is a good consistency. This one's good. We are now going to add our sauce and shrimp to the pasta. I hope you enjoyed cooking with me. Now enjoy your meal.